5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have engine start. Liftoff and Perry's NG-13 mission from Wallops Flight Facility. Engines at 100%. Attitude nominal. TVC's nominal. Attitude continues nominal. Max Q, attitude nominal. Power subsystem continues nominal. Attitude nominal. Engines at 55% and nominal. (14,000 feet per second). Main engine cutoff.
Fairing separation confirmed.
Bearing separation.
4 minutes into flight.
Interstage separation.
Interstage separation confirmed.
Attitude nominal. Stage 2 ignition.
And Stage 2 ignition is confirmed. Stage 2 is that solid rocket fuel that will burn for about 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Burnout will come about 7 minutes and 9 seconds into flight.
Stage 2 will burn for roughly 2 more minutes. Stage 2 burnout.
Stage 2 burnout confirmed. Cygnus now moving about 16,822 miles per hour.
Payload separation.
The Cygnus spacecraft for this resupply mission was dedicated to U.S. Air Force Major Robert Lawrence, who was the first African-American astronaut selected by any program specifically chosen for the Air Force's Manned Orbital Laboratory program in June of 1967. And that'll conclude Cygnus's journey to the International Space Station, which began on Saturday, February 15th at 2:21 p.m. Central, when it launched from Pad 0A at NASA's Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia. Cygnus was captured this morning at 3:05 a.m. Central Time by NASA astronaut Drew Morgan at the controls of the station's robotic arm, backed up by Jessica Meir of NASA. After capture of the spacecraft, controls of the robotic arm were handed over to teams here on the ground who brought the spacecraft into the station and readied it for berthing, which took place on the Earth-facing side of the Unity module on the International Space Station at 5:16 a.m. Central Time, as the International Space Station and Cygnus were flying south of New Zealand.